The following is a work of fiction. Any and all alerts featured in this video are very much fake. Any events that actually happened or are bound to happen are purely coincidental. Do not play these alerts over radio waves. You could receive a hefty fine. Also, I am not responsible for any stupid mistakes you make. If you make a ripoff for this video, I will give you a copyright strike on your channel without a heads up. Finally, grab that bag of chips you love, and your favorite soda. For me, I would get a can of Mountain Dew and a bag of Doritos. Last, but not least, enjoy.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Kennebec County Sheriff's Office and the National Atmospheric and Space Administration. At 12:31 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, there were reports of strange aircraft hovering over the city of Augusta. The characteristics of these aircraft include cylindrical in shape, purple in color and two discs, one on the top and one on the bottom. It is currently unknown what the intentions of these aircrafts are at this time, but monitor local media outlets, television and radio stations for more information on this situation. This message is transmitted at the request of the Kennebec Police Department and the civilians of Augusta. The UFOs that were spotted over an hour ago are, indeed, hostile. These UFOs use a laser that can incinerate anything within a 5-foot radius of it. Residents are ordered to shelter in place. Close, and lock all doors and windows. Gather essential supplies to take to your shelter, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio for your stay in your shelter. Go to an interior room on the lowest floor of your residence, and stay there until the all-clear is given. Stay tuned to stations serving your area for more information on this dangerous situation. This is an emergency action termination. All clear, repeat, all clear. The alien attacks have stopped. Normal programming may resume. Please stand by for this message from the leader.
Earthlings, we are sorry for attacking you. It was a mistake. We just wanted to help you with your technologies. So please accept our peace offering.